Hi, I'm Craig Collette with Equity Real Estate here in Salt Lake City, Utah. And I'm here to talk to you on how to make money in real estate. It's the million-dollar question. That's what we're here for, and that's what we're trying to sell a house. And so something I would really emphasize is that to make money in this business, it's a service business, that you really need to be able to help somebody. And that might take a year. That might take 6 months. And so you've got to be in a situation or a position that you can help them get the best out of their needs and get exactly what they need. Help them get exactly what they're looking for.